we explain it all. How does a seed wake up? A seed looks like nothing is happening. It does not talk. It does not walk. It does not blink. It does not say, "Good morning." It just sits there. Tiny Explorer held a small seed in his hand. He whispered, "Are you awake?" Nothing happened. He whispered louder, "Hello?" Still nothing. Tiny Explorer frowned. This seed is either sleeping or very rude. He put on his soil boots. Then he pressed the shrink button. Whizz! Pop! Suddenly, Tiny Explorer was smaller than the seed. He climbed down into the soft soil beside it. Underground, everything was quiet. Tiny stones sat still. Little tunnels twisted through the dirt. A water drop sparkled nearby. And there was the seed. Round, still, silent. Tiny Explorer tapped it gently. Tap, tap, tap. No answer. A friendly worm wiggled past. "That seed is not ready yet," said the worm. Tiny Explorer turned around. "What does it need?" The worm lifted its head. 3 things: water, warmth, and a safe place to grow. Tiny Explorer counted on his fingers. Water, warmth, safe place. "That is right," said the worm. Just then, the water drop rolled closer. Plink! The seed soaked up some water. Tiny Explorer leaned in. The seed grew a little bigger. Then it wiggled. Tiny Explorer jumped. It moved! The worm smiled. Water helps wake the seed. Warm sunlight shone on the soil above. The ground became cozy. The seed wiggled again. Then came a tiny sound. Crack! A little root poked out. Tiny Explorer gasped. "The seed has a tiny leg." "That is not a leg," said the worm. "That is the first root. It grows down to find water." The tiny root pushed into the soil. Push, push, push. It reached for damp places underground. Tiny Explorer cheered. "Go, little root!" Then another tiny part pushed out of the seed. It went the other way. Up, up, up. Tiny Explorer pointed. "Where's that one going?" "To the light," said the worm. "That is the shoot." The shoot pushed through the soil. It was hard work. A pebble blocked the way. The shoot bent around it. A clump of dirt sat on top. The shoot pushed again. Push, push, pop. At last, it came out above the ground. 2 tiny leaves opened. Tiny Explorer climbed up beside it. "Good morning, little plant." The sprout smiled. "I was inside the seed the whole time." Tiny Explorer looked amazed. "So a seed is like a tiny sleeping plant in a little coat." "Exactly," said the worm. Tiny Explorer repeated the lesson. A seed wakes up when it has water, warmth, and a safe place to grow. The worm nodded. Tiny Explorer grew back to normal size. Pop. He looked at the tiny sprout in the garden. It used to be only a seed. Small, quiet, easy to miss. But inside, a plant was waiting. So next time you see a seed, remember, it may look like a tiny dot, but it might be sleeping, not empty. Give it water. Give it warmth. Give it a safe place. And one day, it may wake up and grow. Seeds are sleepy beginnings.